Okay, just had to text my dad saying I made it to this road here. He wanted to know, so I updated him, and it looks good to go. Let's cross. Well, let's go and see the cows. Excuse me. Ooh-wee, it's smelly here. Look at those cows. Moo. Oh, gotta go walk around this station. It's like, oh, there goes another human being walking on by our field. Ooh, another one. I also walk up here then. Ah. Or you think I'm going the wrong way? There's a blaze right there. Man, this is awful dirt. Holes everywhere. Cow manure everywhere. Cows everywhere. Okay, Hang on, straight. Kind of hard to see where you're going, and there's not many blazes. Just open field. You see that field over there? Just climbed out down that. Ooh, wait. I'm guessing this way. Yeah, I see footprints. So it's definitely this way. It's good. Look at that. There's a mill here. That's interesting. Huh? I didn't know there was one here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Came from over there, went through that gate there. So, at least I don't have to smell the cows anymore. That's good. And I'll continue on this pathway this way. And I'll show some more of this path, I guess. Oh, is that what I think it is? Oh, shoot. I felt a drop of rain. I'm gonna have to put this stuff in my backpack. So I'm off the trail bit. There's the bridge there, and there's the walking thing. I'm not using the mount camera mount because my chest gets really hot wearing it a lot, and it's getting really hot out here. It's really humid down here, and it almost felt like it was about to start raining soon. I felt one drop of rain, so I quickly packed everything up, but it hasn't rained in like the last 5 minutes. So I think I'll just do the old way. So, but I passed 2 more hikers going northbound. One was carrying a short fly rod, so he was fly fishing on this tiny creek here. Hasn't caught anything, but he said he just started, so okay. And then I passed another hiker too. So a lot of them are going northbound. All of them are going northbound. So yeah, but yeah, look at this nice campsite here. They got a stone table. Someone left a cooked pot here that looks really rusty. They got a not looking good looking chair to sit on. A fire pit right here. I was sitting on those over there on that log there to eat my sandwich, but I only got 2 bites in before I started getting hiccups. But you know, well, yeah, a little beach here, and there's the creek. So yeah. Man, you're talking about safe. Look at this power line, and then the second cable, which is, I guess, phone or internet, is like, you know, I'm taller than it right now. I mean, I could tell there was some trees that probably made it ultra loose, but like, oh, they're not getting their internet from Chantel because this is crazy, this being this low. But yep, I made it to Newport Road, and I just have a little bit more further to go to get to Dragon's Tooth parking lot. So yeah, I just thought this was kind of crazy that this low line is this low.